Okay, so I did just get this. I just got this. I just put it together. I did a video for that, which I'm gonna upload. But here it is. So I have the actual vacuum cleaner robot, and now I have the dual robot. This is a Tikom vacuum cleaner, and then I have the Effie vacuum cleaner. And as you can see that the floor is kind of wet. I know I'm not supposed to, but I did put a little bleach inside of the system. So it's just bleach and hot water. And so far it's doing good. I got this to help me. I normally deep clean as far as mopping like every Saturday. This weekend I was a little lazy. I did not do it. So I just got this to help me keep the floor cleaner for longer until I scrub, sweep, vacuum, and then mop, which is typically on Friday or Saturday. So I can't say that I would suggest getting this just yet because I just got it. But if you're like in a dorm or you're military and you're staying in the barracks, this is definitely a great option to get that will help you keep everything clean. So I actually changed my mind. I think I would suggest getting this. It was $159, but it was a $30 coupon, so I got $30 off. And then I also had money left on my Amazon account, so I actually ended up overall.
Here. Let's get that. Here's one more. Okay. But where's the mirror thing? I'm gonna put this one. Oops. Here's one. Favorite stickers. What to go here? Dun, 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 dun.
Thunder, come.
Thunder, come, come, come.
Okay, we just got the robot vacuum mop last night, and I can honestly say I'm already so happy with him. We are having major construction here at the house, and so the floors are filthy, and I go through so many Swiffer pads, and I can't keep up with the dust. So I thought maybe this would help a little. He's moving my table. And so far so good. He's been going for about 45 minutes, I would say. I changed the water once just because I thought for sure it'd be running out or that his cleaning pad would be filthy. So I did that a little while ago and set him back out there. So he's doing a really nice job. Obviously it's not as good as if I were down there on my hands and knees and scrubbing. Ooh, there he goes on the rug. Okay. My dog. Oh no! Watch your tail. See? Didn't even vacuum up my dog's tail. So yeah, he got up on the rug pretty easily, and we have a lot of steps and like changes in floor levels, and so far he's been really good about navigating that. I'm catching him at an awkward moment here, where he's half on the rug and half on the hardwood. But let's see if he can get himself out.
tiene un sonido, le comenzó un sonido como si estuviera descompuesto por dentro. Ya miramos que todo estuviera en su lugar. El cepillo está bien, la caja está bien. No sé, pero tiene ese sonido y la verdad pues pareciera como si estuviera averiado por dentro. Asimismo pues el cepillo también está en su posición, pero tiene un sonido horrible.
So I put Roomba first, and then I call her Muppet. I put Muppet second after Roomba sweeps. Look. And she also cleaned this floor. Look at the floor. She mopped everything. I mean both of them. Roomba sweeps and she mops.
Come to a consensus view here on how it started, but I want to go back to what I said before, and that's that the president believes it's important to know so that we can better prevent future pandemics. And obviously, regardless of what the source is, it's important for people to know that scientific research can still occur, needs to occur in a safe and secure manner.
And on Friday, the president was asked if he was worried that China will side with Russia in the war, and he said,
You can do it.
She's both mopping and vacuuming at the same time. She does a good job cleaning our house from our dogs. So
Man, I was skeptical, but my floors look great. Huh. Oh yeah. 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 I'm gonna work out, dude.
Remote control doesn't work. Pressing right doesn't work. Pressing back doesn't work. Pressing left. Left. Dirt's left.
Very good product.